Today we're gonna bring a smart protector. It's actually a purse, and it holds a lot of credit cards, information. You could have your money in there, your credit card, your IDs. This is perfect for ladies out there that are looking for a nice little purse that they don't want to carry two of them because of the phone is too large. This is perfect for you guys. So let's take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. But first of all, just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. So let's go ahead and take a look. The first thing you get is a little box, and then you get the actual individual system itself. If you guys can see it, this actually has the phone area where you actually have the camera set up, and then look at this little beautiful. You have access to the buttons, shockproof protected case, enough for the speakers, the plug-in connection, and also more buttons on the side, and then the camera, of course. And now let's take a look at the inside. Now, inside, if you guys can see, there's actually plenty of space for your credit cards, money, or anything you want to put. And look at this very beautiful, detailed little cushion area too. It looks very stylish out there too. And of course, they have the little zipper, gold zipper, and of course to hang your bag from here too. So these are two little clips for where you actually hang the chain from. So let's go ahead and do that and set our phone up. So, and the chain itself has even leather wrapped into it. Detail. Let's go ahead and do that. Look at that, beautiful. So not just you just get the chain, but you actually get the leather within it, and it's wrapped up into it, real beautiful. It comes into the loop cycle. It has a release mechanism here, two release mechanisms. If you guys can see them, you can go ahead and grab it from here. Of course, this is going to be upside down when you're putting it in there. So the only thing is that I would just be cautious. Make sure you close the zipper, because if you have it open, all your stuff is going to fall. So make sure you cover that up, and this has to be covered. And to open it up, it's simple. You can open the whole thing. Whole thing's opens up in there. Plenty of space for credit cards, money clips right here, or credit card clips. Either way you can use. And then IDs and credit cards could go into there, so they could get the extra protection in there. If you guys can see that. So let's go ahead and put it together. Our phone fits in there. If you guys can see that, put it in there. Clip it in there, and the phone is completely in there, you can see. So we're going to go ahead and put our credit cards and our wallet and everything else. See how beautiful it looks. So far, this thing looks really awesome, very unique, awesome little bit of feature. I like this area here and the extra protection in case you drop it too. I like that it has access to all your credit cards and everything you need, including a money clip here and other credit cards too. So this is a pretty good little device setup. So if you guys can see it, I love the chain itself. It has that integration with the actual leather handle too. I like that, giving the extra strong grip in case somebody wants to grab it from you. They're gonna have to pull your shoulder off pretty much. So I like it. Let's go see how it looks on an actual person.